Stop, my dear learners. If you understand English but still can't speak confidently, then this story is truly for you. Today, you are not just going to learn sentences, you are going to live a full day in English. So relax, listen carefully, repeat, and feel every moment of this journey. Every morning, I wake up with a new hope. I slowly open my eyes, take a deep breath, and remind myself that today is a fresh start. With a positive mindset, I get out of bed, stretch my body, and feel a new energy inside me. Then I walk to the bathroom, wash my face, brush my teeth, and look at myself in the mirror. I smile and softly say, today will be a good day. After a refreshing bath, I feel relaxed, get dressed, and prepare myself for the day ahead. I sit quietly and enjoy my breakfast while thinking about my goals. I drink a glass of water, spend a few peaceful moments with my family, and step out of my house with confidence. On my way, I observe people and surroundings, and when I reach my destination on time, I greet everyone with a smile. I stay focused on my work or studies and try to learn something new every single day. During learning, I listen carefully and try to understand deeply. Whenever I feel confused, I ask questions without hesitation. I practice what I learn and remind myself that mistakes are a part of growth. Step by step, I keep improving. Then I take a short break to relax my mind. I sit with my friends, share thoughts, enjoy my lunch peacefully, laugh and feel happy from inside. After refreshing myself, I get ready to continue again. In the afternoon, I return to my work with more energy. I complete my tasks one by one, stay disciplined, and manage my time properly. Whenever challenges come, I face them with confidence and never give up on my goals. After a long day, I come back home, take some rest, relax my mind, and spend quality time with my family. I share my experiences and feel grateful for everything I have. In the evening, I sit quietly again and focus on my self growth. I practice speaking English daily, repeat sentences, and slowly improve my fluency. I remind myself that progress is more important than perfection, and day by day, I start believing in myself more. At night, I prepare for the next day. I think about what I learned today and feel proud of my small progress. With a peaceful mind, I close my eyes and sleep with dreams of a better tomorrow. Great job, my dear learners. Today, you didn't just learn English, you actually lived a full day in English. Always remember, fluency doesn't come from big words, it comes from daily practice. Even one small sentence and even one small step every day can completely change your future. So, keep speaking, keep improving, and never stop learning. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching till the end.